In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty Yahoo Mail inbox all at once. Now to do this, first you want to open Yahoo Mail and you want to go to your inbox over here in the top left. Now this is going to show you all your emails inside your inbox. I only have a few, but it's going to work for this tutorial. And then to empty this, all you have to do is click on this check mark over here, which says select all messages. And of course, you could also do just starred, unstarred, read, unread, whatever. I'm actually going to do all of them because we're emptying the entire inbox all at once. And then when you're done, you can do whatever you want with this. You could go and archive these. You could go and move them to a different folder. You could delete them. You could do whatever you want. I'm actually just going to hit this delete button over here. And there we go. As you can see, I've emptied my entire inbox at once, okay? I'm going to undo this right now, but of course, if you don't, all your emails are going to be inside the trash folder and your inbox is going to be emptied out all at once with just 2 clicks. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.